View channel. Hey, yeah, we made some insane progress actually. So, why can't I hear anything out of my headset? Is that not supposed to work like that? There we go. Good. I made a huge leap forward today. I got an an HLS feed to port inside Unreal Engine, so it's fucking really good. So I'm gonna test it soon because I just fixed all the. Yeah, HLS direct into Unreal. It's actually working. I just have to. I'm just gonna do a simple as fuck test here really quick. These are the pixel bars. That's the lead wall. We'll just do the cube basic, and then the cube lead. Yeah. Come on. No. And we'll take these textures off because I don't fucking need these. Why don't I actually see anything? No, because I'm blind. That's fucking why. So I was going to import this into Unreal. I'm going to take the video from this live stream and I'm going to reproject it onto the fucking cube from the fucking thing. So we're going to test that out. Just remove these fucking textures. We don't need any of this shit. So this should be, let me just confirm that this works. Yep, that looks good, that looks good, that looks good. Yeah, see, I redid all the UVs onto a 1920 by 1080 frame because it's fucking... Doing them separately would require I need 4 live streams happening. So let's just fucking test it. Okay, so to do this, I have to export just some bullshit FBX of this. Okay, yeah. And we don't want textures and materials. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to QV3, whatever, FBX. We'll call this UE cube v3 All right. So let me go into my UE project. UE spout test. No, mixer test. So actually, you know what? I was talking to someone over at Microsoft earlier today, and this actually, what I'm developing here could very well change the way people stream, and the way viewers participate in a fucking stream. It's actually really interesting. It was like a totally by accident, but let's do this. Let's fucking just see if this fucking works. Well, I'll show you. This is all compiled now, so we have a mixer stream component that me and a friend wrote. It's basically like a mixer pull-in plugin for UE, which is it's actually fucking pretty insane. But let me get on doing this. Wait, that's not it. What did I call it? QV3 assets, something like that. C4D. What did I? Oh, Jesus Christ. Where did I put it? UE. Okay. Can't you just make a new folder from here? Well, whatever. We'll just throw it on the root. I don't even give a shit right now. Root node, blah, 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 import. Okay. So now we have texture coordination for this. We're going to go to our mixer stream plugin. Going to go to the mixer texture. We're going to just apply it to the whole fucking thing. Then go to the media player. Hopefully it'll just pick up a mixer stream here. It's fucking supposed to. No video track available. Oh, I guess that guy's not streaming. I have to pull a mixer key. Hang on one sec. I'll use that fucking Xbox Live one or some shit. Which means I have to go to here. Wait. That should be working. One sec. Yeah, I guess that stream died. Oh, the fucking key changed. I swapped out the shitty router and it seems to have worked. Oh my god, it's working.
Have our health on the right side. The middle is going to be any of our...
So this is a mixer stream. Hang on. Fucking my computer just took a shit because Dean decided.
Right now we actually don't have any at the moment.
Booyah!
And of course, if we...
This works.
Let's see if we can get down here and grab this one. Actually, it looks like maybe we'll have to go a different way to get that. Maybe later we'll grab that.
Okay.
So these right here, when you hop on them, it's actually going to break open, and we're going to be getting a life orb. So of course you can use these to restore your health. They're going to be all throughout the environment, and there are a couple different kinds that we can get. Of course, we have the small spirit light container, or any of these spirit light containers here, and these are what we are going to use to purchase items and various upgrades for Ori's abilities. Ooh.
Oh my god, it works! So, this is a live feed from Mixer.
There's something that we do not have the ability to get through quite yet, so we'll come back to this whenever we have the correct ability. Oh, that was my bad, Ori. I wasn't watching.
This is actually fucking amazing.
Alright, drop down through the platform. Of course, like I said before, you can use the left thumbstick down to crouch, and that's actually going to move the camera a little bit down if you hold it long enough. That way you can kind of peek below and see if there's anything down there. And if you need to drop, it down, like on areas like this, on bridges, you can hold down and tap A, and that's going to allow you to fall through. We actually don't need that health orb right now. That's alright.
This is great. And it's running at like 60 FPS.
Somebody might be here a little bit later for us. Alright, let's continue along, Ori. We don't have Sign with us, so we can't use our Spirit Fire. Alright. We got a torch!
So it will play properly if I click on Mixer Stream, let that propagate. Well, fucking allegedly. It takes a second to load it, though. That's kind of weird. Huh. Oh, I have to... Oh, okay, I see what happened. That's fucking dumb that I have to do that every time, but I'll just program it to do it. There we go. Whoop. Play. Play! Play that one. Yeah. Okay. Because the key... here's the thing that Mixer does, which is, I guess, fine, is they change the stream key a lot. Probably for security reasons, but... it does work. So you have to like refresh this stupid thing. So I'll write something for it. Yeah, like it wants to work.
Oh, there it goes. From across the water, maybe. a wanderer in these parts. The better parts, at least. Taking shelter from the storm myself, but if you're thinking of going further, you'll have to get through the Spirit Gate to the east. We already ran into the Spirit Gate. 2 keystones. Oh, he has one.
Obviously, the pixel map looks fucking weird because
I have a feeling he's not going to give them to me right out the gate.
I need to stream my pixel map.
All right, so we got a new quest here, the missing key. So we can always hit the view button, and that's going to open up our map. You can see where we.
Okay, so here's what I'll do. On my stream, I'll output a pixel map, and then I'll pull my stream key out and replace it. I just have to get my ID. What is my stream ID? Actually, I should be doing that anyway. Why am I watching this guy's fucking stream? Okay, so I have to get my fucking video stats. What's my ID? Oh, jeez. I don't know what my ID is. What is my stream ID? Is there a way to get that? I know there's a way to do it with the CLI, but Mixer should show you the stream ID for fucking nerds like me so I can grab it. How do you... I have the stream session GUI ID, but I don't have... Yeah, no, the loop... I'm muted my stream, so it's not going to feed back. How do we get my stream ID? Oh, you know what? Let me just ask Andre. What's the ID for .com/Deadmau5? I get GUI ID. Settings, my account. No. It's a stream ID. It's like for that active instance of a stream, it generates a fucking stream key real quick. It's not like your stream key. It's because I can pull any fucking thing off that. Just trying to. Wait, what? The verification process is going to be hard for verifying people on machine when you get the same issues in electronic file. Oh, blah blah blah. Okay, you guys are just talking about other shit. Yeah, see, you have things like, you have this, like your connection URL and player session GUI ID, and then the stream session GUI ID. But out of this, is this actually it? No, see, I need an access key with a HLS manifest as well. So I just need my channel ID. That's all I need. Let me find that out. So I need my channel ID. Damn it. Where do I get this? The inspect element? No, that's like, oh, you're talking about, oh, maybe. Let me hit it. F11, not F11. What is it, F10? F12? It's F12. I don't think that's going to give me my stream ID. No. It's so weird because I can get it from other streams, but I can't get it from mine. Maybe it's because I'm not a partner. Yeah. Yeah, anyone, Jen, if you're watching, if anyone can get my channel ID, that'd be great. Because the access key is the channel ID according to the stream URL thing. It's like the same thing. 11834. Is that actually it? DOSMake? Oh, is it? Oh, great. Oh, okay, so let me try that then. I wonder if the access key is the same. Can you pull more than that? Or are you just getting the ID? Can you pull is the access key in there? Where are you getting that from? Because I can just fucking hack this in here. But the access key is going to be different, so this isn't going to work. Might be fucking weird if it did, but... Let's see. Mixer.com API v1 channels deadmau5fields.id. Oh, in that fields, could you look up, instead of ID, could you look up access key, lowercase, capital K on key? Because I can't open another fucking browser here. Actually, I'll grab it. Yeah, because here it is where you just basically have to pull the HLS stream via HTTPS. Hang on. Jen, channel ID, hey Ethan. Oh, alright, blah, blah, blah. Let me see something else here. Doop 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 boop 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 beep boop 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 boop. Maybe I could get the M. Maybe I can get this direct. Let me see something. What did we say my thing was? I doubt this would work, but... Fuck, now I gotta scroll up. 1830. Fuck. I don't want to ban you. Every time I right click and fucking... Like, there's no way this is gonna work. Yeah, no video track available, no media stream. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I can pull it from here. Check this out. So if you go, let me see if I can open this in. Oh, okay. I got the stream pulling in from. Oh, okay. I can get this. I just have to pull it out of the manifest. Maybe I could. Shut up, Joel. I got it. Because I can. The manifest is just some bullshit little file. And then you can go here and then open it up in fucking Notepad, hack the shit out of it. No, 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 don't open it in iTunes. There you go. I think this is what I want. Right? Does that work? Oh yeah. Hello? I'm trying to test it in here, but it says it's ready. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, there's the access key. Alright, so let me copy this. Let me do this. Here's the one that we know works. Just paste that. And then my stream ID was what? Sorry. One 118, fucking whatever. So I should swap this for that, but then I need the access key, which is going to be this. So that should be correct. Oh, video CDN. Oh, right, because I'm coming from Canada. Is it going to load? Where's the original one? One sec. Are these different? Yeah, they are different. I think my access key changes. Fuck. Channel ID. Are you looking for the channel ID, as in his username, or the ID associated with the channel? The channel one. Let me reply on. For example, to pull in the Xbox live stream, I would use that. There we go. I emailed Ethan the thing that I want exactly. Yeah. Okay. Hang on. Got it. Doop doop. Is that the right one that they did? Yeah, I think I have to change my access key. Because for whatever reason, or do I have to hit enter on that? No. Or do you have to rebuild it every time you do that? No, that can't be right. You shouldn't have to rebuild it. Okay. No video track. No video track.
These trees, and you see that little blue
See, that works. But
wisp in there.
that's not my stream, though.
We can access new abilities for Ori.
So, what if I just change his to mine?
It looks like this was the nap ability.
That's so weird. Why does this one work? This actually shouldn't be working. What's going on here? Hey, that's like... Why am I watching...
Alright, it's time to wake up, Ori.
I really don't... What? Ugh. Oh, that'll do it. That's what happens when you force 2 of those in there. It's it was the live stream from the Xbox Live stuff. I was just fucking around with that. So the idea is to output the viewer from TD as the main screen. Well, yeah, because then I run a full screen of my map output and the audio and the visuals and all that shit, and then you can have all the visuals on the cube live streaming from Mixer. You know what I mean? And then I could do like a video wall of something else up top. Why am I still looking at this? Yeah, let me get out of here. Oh, I'm in the wrong fucking thing, of course. Yeah, so what I would do though is so here's the is this gonna let me see it? Yeah, so this is the pixel map. So this is what would go out to Mixer. And then I have all this extra area too. So I'll put like my live camera video here, which I should actually set up a map for. So I'll put out my live video here, and then we could also put up like 2 big massive fucking screens up in space so you can still see the camera input. Oh, hey, Bryn. I just mailed you your channel ID. Yeah, I know, I got it. But the weird thing is when I it's hard to explain. It's like a big long fucking thing. But I had it working. I don't know if you just saw it. Here, let me show you. What the fuck am I doing? So I don't know if you remember. Brian, from the call, I was saying about that we didn't have an ingest working in UE. Well, we just got one working now. So we could sidestep that whole process, thank fucking God. I have it working. Let me just load it. Skip restore. Yeah, let me restore this. Okay, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So here's a live video texture. Let me re-import my model. Oh, it already did it. But it didn't put it on the stage. What a piece of shit. Okay, there we go. Now it's back on the stage. So here's all the UV stuff. Let's go to the mixer texture. Oh, I have to do it individually. One sec. Multiple values. Mixer. So this should be mixer.com. And here is the mixer stream. Let's go to the texture. Blah, blah, blah. So the URL is looking something like this.
Oh, I landed on it.
So Brian, I need that, but not the Xbox Live channel.
Where we are currently showcasing Ori and the Will of the Wisps. If you guys have any questions about the game as we go along, please do let me know down in the chat, and I will answer those for you as soon as I can. And for anybody who hasn't had a chance to see...
You can see there, now there's Mixer running.
Ori and the Will of the Wisps. This is going to be a platform adventure game made by Moon Studios, where we are going to be playing as Ori and Ori's friends as they adventure through these awesome and beautiful worlds with an amazing soundtrack. Right now, we have lost our friend Ku, our small owl friend with a damaged wing, and so we are currently trying to find our way back to meet up with our friend. And of course...
So it works. And that's the link that I just posted there, Brian, is the HLS ingest. But fucking for whatever reason I can't get mine. I think it has something to do with the access key, which is why I said, like, that's why I emailed, like, can I just have a static key? but whatever, it doesn't matter. So if I thought just substituting the channel number here would let me do that, but it turns out I cannot. Right? So if I copy that and then just whoopsie, go to stream URL and then change the channel, just like on a big remote. Watch it make a liar out of me. Now it'll work. Nope. See, now I don't. No video track available. Yeah, see. It's frustrating. Oh, here's your channel. Oh, thank you. Okay, so let's try that then. Oh shit! I almost banned you. See, because I'm trying to select the text here. It's just some little criticism about this chat window. When I go to select the text, it pops up that wheel. But if you do it just the wrong way, it'll like accidentally ban someone. I don't know how you feel about being banned, but I'm just saying you came pretty close just now. All right,
and then yeah, anytime we hit the view button there, that is going to open up our map. We can always refocus on Ori, so say we go up here, and we're searching the map, click down on the left thumbstick, it's going to jump us right back and center us on Ori. That way you can see where you are.
Okay, let me see if that refreshes now. I think you really actually do have. So let's try that. Hey! Oh. Damn it! How do I mute the fucking video for that? Mixer, Unreal, Mixer texture. Hey! Oh, we did it. Streamception. I have 2 of these textures running now. I don't know why. Oh, it's playing an old one. Okay, so now I can stream my map. Yeah, no, well, I mean, the moral of the story is I was talking to Mixer today, some text and stuff to get this all working, and it does work. Quality could be better, but I can ramp that up on my end. It's because I'm looking at a little tiny. Okay, so let's get a pixel map up. So check this out. So I'm gonna broadcast. Oh, but you won't be able to see it. That's why I need a dummy stream. So I need a mixer.com/fucking1234, and I need to stream to that because, well, I mean, if I do this, let me stream a different window here, and this is just for my own personal satisfaction. Sorry, one sec. Let me go touch designer, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, we make a secret channel. We don't tell anyone what it is. So they can't look at my pixel map. So if I go here and I go to, I don't know, fucking one of the cube projects. Oh my god, with the FTL protocol, like you can tell what the latency is like, and it's actually pretty good. So I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to just stream this really quick. Display capture. Go properties. Display 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this is going to look funny, but I just want to see how it looks on my side. Oh, it works. I just have to wait for it to update. Come on. So my stream's taking a minute to like send over the correct monitor. Stand by. Okay, I just have to line this up now. So if it's 1920 by 1080 and I go top right, let me just adjust this so it fits on the cube properly. Come on. Oh, I know why. I'm like, why doesn't it fit? Oh, because I'm streaming higher than 1920 by 1080. Rip. Let me force scale this really quick. I have to go like full frame for this to work. Here we go. Pardon me. Play. Mixer stream. Okay, it works. Nice. Sweet. Some fucking feedback for you. Hang on. There we go. Cool. So I got so much shit to do. I also have to do like to this. So this is the client, so to speak. What it'll really be is it'll be this. I'm not gonna save that because I know it works. It'll be doop a doop a doop a doop. Yeah. Can we get to work on a just a dummy channel somewhere? Yeah. Because then I can do a thing. We don't have to worry about crazy video feedback. We should add the chickens. Multiplayer is going to be really cool because I think this is going to open up some serious ideas about like inter-community interaction as well. The only thing is like, so you would need a PC, or like if we develop this for mobile as well. You would have to run a client instead. Oh, VR would be so easy to add. There we go. Chickens. Do I really own goats? Yeah, I have 2 goats. Yay. Oh, don't worry about... Oh, Jesus Christ. Don't worry about my FPS. It's my computer's like being tanked right now by a million different processes. Should be back to normal now. Yeah, it's a big chicken. You have goats? I have 2. Well, I don't know what kind of goats they are. They're just goats. They're not mini. They're not special. They're just goats, but they're cool. Anyway, we develop a client, right? I have to talk to Epic still. Well, like kind of more like the CFO guy, and talk to him about like licensing and then getting it up in the Epic Store and all that stuff. And Mixer is being awesome, so I don't have to spend millions of dollars on aggregate servers to relay all the content. So that's nice to know that that infrastructure is already there. And then we should be off to the races. So this actually could very well happen very soon. I just have to clean up the client, make it very user friendly so that you can like log in. Maybe we'll have a. If we're gonna do multiplayer, we're probably gonna have to have like some kind of user login kind of thing. But for now, like if it was just one person watching it or one person using the client, well, multiple people using the client, but just with no multiplayer support, then that would be fine. You wouldn't need like user ID stuff. But there's shitloads of fucking SDKs out there for what we need to do at the end. And oh, by the way, remember that big problem I had with all the UVs on the fucking pixel bars? I did them perfectly. Look at that. Look at it. I fucking honestly, I just bit the bullet and went into Mixer, turned on pixel snapping, and then went to town. And I did every one of those 256 fixtures. It took me like 3 hours, but everything's pixel perfect now. Like, this is a UV map. It's beautiful. You can zoom in and you'll never hit the edge of that pixel because it is just right on the edge. So, I promise you I will never be dicking around with UVs ever again because that was just too much of a pain in the ass. Yeah, I never want to deal with that again. So, let me tell Andre. Brian, also, how did you derive that link that you sent me for my for that what am I doing? For that M3U8. Because what we did is kind of cheap, but it works. Is we compiled a VLC plugin inside of UE, so that technically it's VLC reading and outputting the video texture, and it works. So like, fuck it, if it ain't broke. An M3U8 is an index. That's why your browser doesn't see it. You can't just put that URL in a browser. It'll ask you to download a file. The fastest way is to open the DevTools in the browser and disable low latency in the player, and then the... Oh, really? Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Well, I don't have that. And by the way, can I get partnered maybe? I don't know. I'm just saying. Little $2 donations would sure fucking move along the development. Just saying. My shirt's on backwards. Yeah. $2 dono, I put my shirt on forwards, everybody. No, I'm kidding. I'll probably need that anyway at some point. I have to do... Oh, yeah. So we have to do this. We have to put up like a couple of screens too. Like, just some bullshit. Fucking... So the idea is yeah, sure. I don't know. Let's just go object. Hello, object. 1600 by 900 for 16 by 9, sure. And then we'll just scale this fucking back. Yeah, so what I'll do for the stream, like for the so then this video of me down in the bottom right, hi guys over here, they'll I'll put that video up on those screens too, so you can still watch the show and then you can see me fucking mixing and all that shit. Clean as fuck. UVs. So on my pixel map, I would put another video texture here, video texture there, and I just clone the same one so you can like look either left or right. The video asset of Joel and the cube jamming out. Well, it would just be this. Like basically, it would be I'll show you. Cube. God, I am so disorganized. Assets, images. No, it should be content. Utilities. Yeah. It'd be this. Hello? Are you serious? Since when do you not like JPEGs? That's the previs. Okay, there you go. There's one. What is that? 05900? Sure. What the hell is going on? Oh, rip. I was like, what the fuck? So it would be like that, right? Will this be working for Brixton? No, this is going to be an application. This isn't going to be a live. Well, yeah, it'll be an application that like lives on your desktop. You double click it, I start streaming, and then boom, everybody fucking jumps in and watches. Watches is step one, participate step two, and then congregate with people. You could do your you can get your antisocial distancing fix on. Yeah, so this video will be streamed. The cube content will be streamed. I could do that all in a 1920 by 1080 frame. I'm not even worried about it. Just don't touch your VR face. The 3D stage will be static. No, it won't. It'll be dynamic. So the cube will still rotate and tilt and all that stuff. So we'll be able to do our... Well, it doesn't actually rotate that way. Let's rotate it the right way for starters. It's a heading. Yeah, so the cube will be able to rotate. And actually, you know what? I could even give you control of that. So you guys can rotate and tilt the cube however you want. Just don't tilt it like this. That's not good. It's not good for anyone. The tilt, I think, is the pitch. Yeah, there you go. No. It has it'll only be affected on your end. Like no one will see it the same way. That's the thing. So if you're in the client by yourself and you rotate and tilt the cube, then you're the only one that's doing that. Once we get multiplayer in, then I'll probably end up taking control of the cube because you can't I don't know. That's not going to make sense. What is with this texture? Why do they do this as default? Like, really? Shouldn't the... Oh, I guess it's just the stupid default thing. All that's really left is to clean up the client. Sorry, I'm talking to one of my developers. Up the client and make it friendly-ish. And then re-add in this new stuff. It's not work if you think about it. Yeah, I mean, multiplayer would probably be delegated into like multiple servers, right? So say we have, heaven forbid, I only have 73 viewers. Okay, so I suck. If I have 73 viewers, might be manageable, but like honestly, it's kind of a netcode feat to get more than 20 or 30. So we would do, yeah, we would probably do about like 50 or 20 even. And then every time there's rollover, it just starts up, it spins up a new server and then adds the 20 more, another spillover, another server, another server, another, you know what I mean? So that's usually what happens. Yeah, no bigger than 20 because we don't want to spread Corona. It's not really a big project. Well, it is a big project, but we have so much of it done that it's really not a lot of work from here. And it's doable. I do like the idea of these iMags. Oh, I'm going to have to put those in Twitch. Oh, yeah, let me actually fucking do that right now. Yeah, I could actually, I could put it in UE right now. What the fuck am I talking about? Oh, fucking capable adult. Mixer test. Yeah, I've been developing this alongside with the Cube show from day one anyway. So I'm already a year into development on this. It's not even like I have to think, how am I going to do this? How am I going to do that? Because I've kind of already done it. Because what I wanted this to be originally was I wanted this to run in tandem with live shows, which we can still do as well. So like if I play a live show, then on top of what I'm streaming what I'm doing live, I could also stream out and you could watch it online through a custom client. That was the point. But then some fucking virus decided to cancel my entire fucking career, but thank God I had this still because now we could do just online if we want. Stupid virus. Can you please refrain from typing in bold? It's an eyesore. Hey, Trickster. Oh, that's not Trickster. Why isn't this loading? Oh, because I'm a fucking idiot. Doop-a-doop. So, let's try this again. Navigating in UE is so fucky, but whatever. Who cares? Yeah. Today player. I think this is the same one still. Let's just play this. Hello? Anyone on today? Why does this always do that? That's another thing we have to fix. Sorry, 1 sec. I'm just gonna fix this really quick. I'll just do the other guy's fucking stream thing. Boop, boop, boop. I wonder if this violates Mixer's TOS, streaming other people's streams. Probably. It's okay. It's for test purposes. Okay, why isn't it? Why ain't it not working? Oh, there we go. Okay. At least I got the audio out. Watch me get banned for this. Could you imagine? Like on my side, I don't know how good you can see it on the stream, but on my side, this is running beautifully at 60 FPS. Yeah, good. Well, and this is like a photocopy of a photocopy because I'm rebroadcasting someone's FPS or screen capture into mine, capturing again, then broadcasting out. Let's see. Yeah, every time I tab out, my FPS drops because I'm like reading some other stuff. Okay. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, so let's add the mags, right? So if I just fucking throw in this and then throw that same texture on this, that should be like nice, right? Yeah, there you go. So let me go ahead and modify this. Scale it. Yeah, this is going to be ugly, but whatever. Wait, you can't just grab the value? You have to... That is so dumb. Right. So now if we go to this texture, there you go. That's his full stream. Point one. Nope. No, I don't. You fucking thing. So one, or what if I go like fucking 6x9, right? Or 16, 9. Hey, there you go. That's a big ass. Yeah. Cool. So there's his whole stream. And it's a cube. But it's just stretching that texture on the sidewall, but so yeah, that's what I would do, right? So for the cube show, this video would be like, can you not? Do you have to do that to? Oh, there you go. So be watching the show like this, right? So you can watch the cube and do all the things, and then if you look up or left or whatever, you can see me farting around on dumb shit. God, this sky sphere. Let me fix this. This is so annoying. Okay. Let me just kill the fucking sky sphere. Just kill the skylight. Kill the atmospheric fog. There we go. I mean, I gotta change these shaders to like emissives and stuff, but that's pretty cool. So if we all see what we want to see during all this, do you see all of you? No, I don't. I wouldn't see any of you. Just like real life. Only better. Because I don't have to hear you. I don't smell you. I don't have to smell the fucking crack pipe in fucking row 2. That's a plus. I could smoke. Who is this guy that's playing this game right now? Does anyone know? is that? Some Xbox guy, I think. So this stream is going to be, I think it's, let me check. I think it's mixer.com/. Whoopsie. What is it? It's like, what channel is it? What am I watching? I'm trying to find this stream. I know it's Ori, but I don't know what channel this is. I should probably put that information in here. This is pretty cool. Yeah, I think it's like it's. I know the channel ID, but I didn't get the name. It's Xbox Interactively. Oh yeah, all right. I don't know. Let me see how this runs full screen. Actually, I'm gonna have to tab out. I just want to check the performance. Oh, where's my damn fucking media player? There we go. I'm gonna do that. I have to do this every time. It's so stupid. Just play it. Oopsie. That's what happens when you don't tab out. There we go. Holy shit. Man, this runs fast. Well, it's a good thing I went with FTL and not fucking RTMP. We could add post effects and shit to this. Oh, he's on Xbox Interactive. Yeah, this is great. So I just send pixel map to the cube and then leave the IMAX up if you want to just kind of walk over to the left and see the whole thing. Yeah, that's pretty fucking saucy. I know his face is in the area of the screen where I would put the pixel map for the rear LED wall. And there's like this thing too, so you could probably see Ori bouncing around from time to time. Ooh. Yep, there he is. Because when the cube rotates, that's what you would see. How quickly do you think this could roll out? Need tiny amount of UE development. Not much. Actually, I should compile this as a executable. Let me do that. Let me compile this and see how it runs compiled. It should work as long as this fool is still streaming. Let me build an executable. I think it's just package project for Windows, 64-bit, done. We're going to call this maps, whatever. Save. What? What? Oh, because I use VS fucking 2019. Why do you have to use 2017 for a 4.20 build? Okay, well, whatever. I'll do that later. Yeah, because I have Visual Studio 2019, but why won't it compile for... I guess you need the old one. That sucks. I wonder... Let me try opening this in the latest UE, just to be a dumbass. Let me switch the version to 4.24. Let's see. This is stupid, but this might not work. Let's see. It was designed for build 4.2. Attempt to load it anyway? Yes. No. Oh my god. Sorry, man. I had to yell loudly. Fucking, it wanted me to use an old version of Visual Studio to compile an old version of UE. It doesn't make any sense. This is probably going to crash to all hell. Yes and no. I think this is just going to crash out if I try and load this in 4.23 or 4.24. Might not, but I mean... Shit. Someone wrote a guide up to getting to use UE 4.22 to work with VS19. Dude, no, I'm not following, because you know what? I can guarantee you what's in that guide. Changing a shitload of environment variables. Fuck that. It's probably just easier to install VS17 and doing that. Yeah, no, I know. Fuck that. I'm not messing with that shit. I'll just install Visual Studio 17. Yeah, this just crashes to all fuck, because... Alright, let me change the version. 4.20 is fine, really. There's a handful of features that make 4.24 amazing, but... I mean, do you really want to recompile VLC for 4.24 just to turn RTX on? I don't think so. See, now this should just work. 4.20. 420 all day. Whoop. I should probably save this so I don't have to do this every time. Let me go download fucking Microsoft Visual Studio. Where do you even get that? Sorry, Visual Studio 2017 has been deprecated. How do you get older versions? Can you get older versions? Older downloads. Still want an older version? Yeah. Found it. Gotta sign in. Are you serious? I swear to God, this better not bug out my 2019 install. It better be separate, or I'm gonna lose my shit. Where's the old one? Version 15.9, I guess. I don't want the redistributable. being dumb. Thank you. Do I get studio or community? I always fuck this up. You've always gone with community? Yeah, but I gotta social distance myself. Yeah, whatever. I'll just get that. Hey! Oh, there it goes. It's the both to do that. Jesus. It's better not try and get fancy and detect versions and then go, oh, it looks like you have 2019 up. We're going to go ahead and fix that for you. Just keep the internet on, okay? That's all I need. Food delivery. I'm still going out. Blah 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 blah. Do we need .NET? And I don't think we need much of this, to be honest. You know what? I'll turn it on anyway, because honestly, so many times I've done that and then it didn't have the right fucking thing in there. Take survey. Oh, let's do that. I haven't done this in a minute. All right, Microsoft, here you go. What best describes your current position? Where's bent over forwards and taking a virus dick in the butt? I don't know. What am I? That best describes my current position. Let's go with other. What best describes the type of project I'm working on? I'm not currently working on anything. Graphics development, mobile desktop development. Okay, next. This is my primary coding language. Actually, you know what? I would assume it's Python, I guess. It's probably the one I know the best. I know this language and I use it often. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Oh, I see. I don't know C++, and I'm not interested in it. Go, TypeScript, no. .NET, no. JavaScript, bleh. Minecraft. Node. What the hell is Node? Excluding the Visual Studio IDE, which coding environments have you primarily used? Where's Sublime Editor? Oh, boom! Got it. How many years of experience? 0. I guess this would indicate, like, how many years have you been making money making software? So none. How long has it been since you first? Probably more than a year. I'm getting it. What statement best describes how your organization uses the cloud? Mostly rely on services hosted in the cloud. This will select the cloud providers you are currently using. Azure, maybe? Mixer uses Azure, doesn't it? I think it does. Yes, that's what I figured. This is... Oh, wow. Yeah, okay. So they make you pick the first one because they know. Will other people be accessing your web application? Yes. How many developers do you work with? One or two. One or two. How much do regulations in your industry impact your tooling and development? Well, I guess kind of a little bit. Well, sorry. You don't get it. Overall, how satisfied are you with the length of the survey? I'm somewhat satisfied. I'm only doing this because VS 2017 is like 17 GB and I have a lot of free time. Yeah, you're welcome. Where are we at? 74%? Let's go. Surveys are fun. Fun for the whole family. I haven't read the news all day today, so I'm just assuming everything's fine. Yes. Like, no, not that worse. Still the same. Okay, I'll take it. Yeah, I knew UK would do that. That makes sense. Why? I'm having trouble putting a hoodie on. Does it look like I'm interested in wasting time playing video games right now? I want to, but I have to work. I have to do this. I have to save the world. I have to save my ass, actually. First, it's my ass. And if saving my ass helps out a Mixer, then fucking let's do that. But I'm looking out for number one. For the meantime. Boop, 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 boop. Come on, come on. It's so close. Oh, I might have missed something here. Fuck, I have to get Andre. I need some UE development done. It would be worth working with a UE guy on Mixer side. Hard parts done. Cleanup and basic. Okay. New album you hear? Is that what you hear? Is that what the word on the street is? Jesus, what are you doing? It's taking longer to install than it did to download. I probably shouldn't have to restart UE for this, right? I don't need that right now. No. Nope. 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 What do I have, like 4 gig of memory? Way more than that. Cool. Should we have a Google Doc or tell them bare minimum features we should keep track of? I think so. We start a Google Doc and send that. We can cross modify. Just talking to a developer. Also, I don't ever stream in OBS. Lets you stream to Mixer to 2 accounts at once. No, I'm only gonna need. So, we're gonna start a Google document because there's a whole bunch of things. Hang on, I have to sign in. Deep. Whoops. Thank you for being a fucking jerk. Alright, there we go. We're getting things ready. Wall. Lol. God, this is ugly. Okay, cool, it works. Let's try and build it. Is this gonna matter, or do I have to restart this? Oh, for fuck's sakes, they're gonna make me do this again. Okay. Every fucking time. Okay. Hello. Connect. 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 What's your problem? There we go. Okay. So I think, can you just okay, that should work. Let me package this. What are you talking about? I think I have to restart it. Fuck's sakes. Oh no. Oh, okay. I have to do this project settings. I have to load the default map to whatever that is. Where's this stupid thing? Where do you change that? It's like level or something. Level sequences. No. It's somewhere dumb. Maps and modes. Oh, there you go. So we're gonna go new map. Editor startup, game default, new map. That's what you have to do. Here we go. Hey. Okay, so let's go to beta. Let's see what happens. It's compiling. Sorry. Did it do it? I didn't hear the beep. Oh, because I muted it. Oh my god, I think it actually built it. There you go. Mixertest.exe. Let's see if this works. Oh no, I didn't put a Jeez, I'm such an idiot. I'm just gonna fall through the floor, and I have no default level open. Oh, actually, wait. Oh, it works. Yeah. So I have to write. Okay, it does work. I just have to write something that triggers the media player on load. I forgot about that because I've been doing it manually. Okay, so this is an executable now. Runs pretty fast. Ooh, look. Convex hull. I can't pass through it. All right. How do you exit? F11? I guess. There we go. Yeah, that should have worked. I just didn't have anything in... I didn't have anything triggering that media player, which was stupid of me. So, okay. Right, because that's how it'll load in the game just like that. But what I have to do now is like, I have to go to the mixer texture, I have to run mixer stream. Why doesn't it just play? Play on open. Oh, because... Hang on. I have the wrong fucking thing in here. That's why. Dirt. Shit. Why is there two of them? do you fucking get this out? How do you remove something from your stupid... Now I'm just confused. Am I doing the right one? Should be. Hello? What am I forgetting? Yeah. I'm totally forgetting something. Okay, which one is this? Mixer stream, right? But it's playing today. What is that one, and how do you get rid of it? Where the fuck is that? I'm gonna get rid of... Today player, today video, today blah blah blah. Okay, so... I think I'm using the wrong thing. I love that decoding error when that happens. Right. Okay, so I have to use the today stuff. There's two of them we did, and I guess one was done today. But now when I go to... So I have to update those things to be... that. There we go. So now when I load this, it's going to use this thing. So if we run that, play on open, and then just click on that, and then I think you just wait, and then it'll play. Just takes a second to load or something. I guess it buffers or something. Yeah, that's got to get worked out. Right. Why doesn't it show the whole thing? Well, that's weird. See what I mean? So when you hit, that's what I meant. So when you build and you hit play, you don't see anything on there because you have to go over to the stupid thing and then click on today or whatever that feed input, and then it buffers and then it plays. Oh, okay. So I guess I have to just make something do that automatically. All right. So I should just get better assets in and stuff, right? I wonder if I should use a datasmith again to import it. I gotta play this new Ori game actually. It looks fucking badass. I like the old one. What clouds aren't moving? These clouds? Yeah, they're moving. Very slowly, as clouds do, but they are moving. Yes, the skybox is moving. Very nice. Go default skybox. Alright. So let's beautify our shit. So 21. This is non-commercial, by the way. I am not using this for commercial profit purposes. Okay, so I guess now we can build out our show, basically, and how we want it looking and all that stuff. Do all the geometry because all this shit has to get imported into UE at some point. Okay, so how about I'm gonna go eat dinner because food is running out nationwide and everyone's gonna start rioting and killing people for food. So I'm gonna go eat the rest of mine now, and then I'll come back and then we'll make like a cool like environment for the cube to live in. And then we'll import all the fixtures, truss, lighting, speakers, all that dumb shit into UE. And it shall be good. Ah! Hope you enjoyed the game stack stuff yesterday. What game stack stuff? What am I thinking about? Yeah, alright, whatever. Oh, that was you guys at the DirectX stuff? That wasn't yesterday, that was today. Or was it today? Yeah, DirectX today. I watched that. I didn't actually see any of the shit from yesterday. I just watched the DirectX stuff today. It was cool. Keep crunching those numbers. Using them GPUs. Got it. All right, I'm gonna go get food, and then when I get back, we're gonna get our creative mode on, and we're gonna start modeling like a kind of level for this shit to sit in, because we know it works now, and I actually did my UVs correctly for the first time in QV3 history. All right, see you guys later.